Hmm. 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 Uh, hmm. 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 Ooh. 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 Oh. Still math. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Still Math. Today we are going to talk about the circumference of a circle. What in the world is the circumference of a circle? Well, boom. Circumference is the perimeter or distance around a circle. Okay? How big is that thing that goes around the circle? How big is the circle? Okay? There's two formulas. Circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius, or circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. Why are there two formulas? Well, what do we know? We know that diameter is equal to 2 times the radius, right? So if I plugged that into the formula we know, I would have circumference is equal to pi times 2r, which if you clean it up, goes here. So that's why there's two. Okay? Which one do I prefer to use? Depends on the problem. All right, so let's look at two problems. We've got one with a radius, one with a diameter. So let's solve the first one. I always write the formula I'm using. It helps me to see what I need. So I've got circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. Why did I choose that? Because I have a radius. Okay, so let's plug it in. So circumference is equal to 2, and what's pi again? 3.14. Oh, good. 2 times 3.14 times 2. And then we do some multiplication here. 2 times 2 is 4 times 3.14. So the answer is 4 times 3.14, which is 12.56 inches. Not inches squared because circumference is a distance. Okay? And here we've got a diameter of 5. So what am I going to use? Circumference is equal to pi d. Pi times the diameter. So let's plug them in. Circumference is equal to, what's pi again? 3.14. Okay, good. 3.14. And then d, or diameter, is 5 in this case. So then we just do some quick math. You can use your calculators. Okay. 15.7 feet. So that's how big it is around the circle. Both of these are how big it is around the circle. Okay, so the circumference is pretty simple. But sometimes you're given the circumference and you have to find what it's asking for. So what is the radius if circumference is 12.56 centimeters? So this is a poor example because we just did this, but I'm still going to show you how to work backwards. So we know we're looking for the radius equation. So we've got circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. Well, what do we know? We know the circumference is 12.56. We know 2 is already here, 2. And we know pi is 3.14. What we don't know is r. So let's clean this up. Let's do some what we can do. We can multiply here. So we've got 12.56 is equal to 2 times 3.14, which is 6.28 r. And whenever anything is touching your variable, you want to divide by that. Okay, so we're going to divide both sides by 6.28 because that says 6.28 times the radius. We need to do the inverse, so we're going to divide by 6.28. And so the radius is equal to 2. 2 what? 2 centimeters. All right, so that is how we work backwards. Okay, I hope that helped. I know this is a shorter video, but hey, it's not that hard of a topic. I know you guys can get that. I just wanted to show you how to do it. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, ring the bell, and yeah, we'll see you next time. If you have any questions, let me know, obviously, and hit the outro. Still math.